You can expect a lot from the 2016 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has fewer than 70,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.